What if money has no natural value at all? What if currencies are powerful only because we believe they are? Why does $1 feel stronger than another country's entire salary? Why can the same work earn vastly different lives across borders? We're told currency values are normal. We're told exchange rates are technical. But no one explains who decides them or why some currencies always lose and others seem untouchable. Tonight, we uncover why currencies are unequal by design. Long before currencies, money was simple. Gold, silver, and goods were exchanged directly. Value came from scarcity and usefulness. A coin held the same worth everywhere. Power couldn't hide behind exchange rates. Trade was slow but understandable. Wealth moved physically. Trust was personal, not institutional. Limits were visible to everyone. Then governments stepped in. Rulers needed control over trade. Taxes required standard units. Armies needed funding. Governments introduced national currencies. At first, currencies were backed by metals. Paper represented something real. Trust still came from physical value. Borders created monetary boundaries. Control slowly replaced simplicity, and trust shifted from metal to authority. Currency value is built on trust. Trust in governments. Trust in stability. Trust in future repayment. Central banks became guardians of belief. Laws forced acceptance of national money. Demand increased through taxation. Borders locked people into currencies. Monetary power became political power. Value was no longer equal everywhere. Some countries industrialized faster. They exported more than they imported. Trade surpluses strengthened currencies. Foreign demand increased value. Strong institutions attracted investment. Capital flowed toward stability. Interest rates shaped global money movement. Strong currencies became safe havens. The US dollar rose above others. Oil, trade, and debt used dollars. Reserves were stored in dollars. Power concentrated around reserve currencies. Weak currencies faced constant pressure. Exchange rates locked inequality in place. Global finance rewarded strength repeatedly. Currency value collapses when trust disappears. Inflation erodes purchasing power. Excess money printing accelerates collapse. Debt grows faster than productivity. Confidence cracks quietly. Germany learned this in the 1920s. Zimbabwe printed until money meant nothing. Venezuela followed the same path. Prices doubled overnight. Salaries became worthless. Savings evaporated. The currency didn't fail suddenly. It failed step by step. Trust left before collapse was visible. Belief always breaks first. Weak currencies hurt ordinary people first. Imports become expensive overnight. Food prices rise instantly. Wages lag behind inflation. Savings lose value silently. Strong currencies absorb global pain. Capital flees weaker systems. Exchange rates punish labor. Inequality becomes global and permanent. Currency value decides quality of life. Governments try to peg currencies. Pegs require massive reserves. Reserves eventually run out. Capital controls limit freedom. Markets find ways around them. IMF loans stabilize temporarily. Debt increases long-term pressure. Structural problems remain untouched. Trust cannot be forced. Printing never creates real value. Lesson 1. Currency value is built on trust, not paper. Lesson 2. Strong institutions create strong money. Lesson 3. Inequality is baked into monetary systems. Borders define monetary power. Exchange rates are silent governors. Money works only while belief survives. When belief fades, value disappears. Understanding money is protection. Subscribe, you see more videos.